First, we opened Android Studio and created a new Flutter project, naming it Counter App. Then we navigated to the lib folder and opened the main.dart file to write our code. We started by importing the Flutter material package to use built-in UI components. Inside the main function, we used runapp to launch our app, calling a myapp widget, which extends Stateless widget and returns a material app. We disabled the debug banner and set the home property to counter screen, a stateful widget, because we need to update the UI dynamically. In the counter screen class, we defined a counter variable to store the count and created two functions, increment counter and decrement counter, both using setState to update the value. In the build method, we designed the UI using scaffold, adding an app bar with a title, and inside body, we used a column to align elements vertically. The counter value is displayed in a text widget, and a row is used to arrange the increment plus and decrement minus buttons side by side. The buttons are wrapped inside elevated button widgets, with on-pressed functions assigned to change the counter value. Finally, we ran the app.dev using an emulator or a real device, and now clicking the buttons updates the counter display in real time. Blast off!